Alright, so myself and Dr. John Lemansky about to record a quick little podcast on the cruise ship talking about, what are we going to talk about?
I don't know.
How about
everything?
Optimization.
Alright, optimization.
That's what we're going to talk about.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
What's going on Instagram? I'm here with Robert Sykes from Keto Savage, and we're going to do a little podcasting on a cruise ship. So tune in to what we have to say.
Ready to rumble?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Good morning, ladies and gents. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and I have a special repeat guest, Dr. John Lemansky. How you doing, man?
Hey, I'm doing great. You can get those numbers juiced up by taking exogenous ketones, MCT, right? But are you actually utilizing those things? If you're not utilizing them, you know what happens? Pee them out, or they go out. If you're eating junk food, right? Let's say you go to fast food and you get something and you take the bun off, right? So you hit those macros, but that quality of that ingredients is still pro-inflammatory. So
to take it to the next level. And I think for people to say, well, I don't want to take it to the next level, that's just irresponsibility as their part as a human being. Like, if you are able to improve your health, you owe it to yourself, but you owe it to your family members, you owe it to just simply, like, it's a great opportunity to be alive in the first place. Like, the odds of you being on this planet are very minimal. So. Alright, y'all, here we are at Cozumel, and it's raining, and we're getting wet. My camera's getting wet. Let's see what we see. Alright, y'all, this time we're in Cozumel. We upgraded from our golf cart and got a 4-door Jeep Wrangler. Moving up in the world. Pretty cool. We're on a coast to Cozumel and it's windy out here. Show them the coast.
Hopefully that is a good enough view.
Now this is a pretty cool view. We're digging this. What do you think?
Digging it.
You like it?
There's a little hole down there and I gotta go check it out.
Yeah. Getting some waves, baby. Alright, y'all, we just stopped at a place called Coconuts to get a dinner. What are you hungry for? Lunch? You hungry? Crystal's always hungry. Let's make it happen. That's our menu. Margarita?
Huh?
Margarita?
Yeah, right.
Check out our view at this restaurant here. So, like, we are literally on a cliffside looking down at the ocean. Check this out. Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Alright, I just ordered nachos, beef nachos without the chips, without the beans. We'll see if we get keto meal brought to us here. That's the way to eat dinner. Feet in the sand, no shoes, no shirt, no problem. Alright, there we go. Except for that chip, it looks pretty keto. The grasshopper. What do you think? Isn't she a beauty? Look at that. Look at that.
Alright, guys. Robert just got us lost. I just got over my like anxious freak out mode, and now we're back on track to heading back to where we came from. We're not gonna go the way that we were supposed to go because we don't know how to do that. So we're just gonna go back the same direction we came.
Lost in Cozumel. Alright, y'all, that concludes our trip to Cozumel. Back to the ship, back to work. We're gonna go train some chest right now. Head to the gym to train some chest. Crystal's ahead of me, but I'm gonna beat her on the chest lifts because I lift way harder, way more intense than she does. Just workout in the books. I'm digging this cruise, but I can't explain how excited I am to get back into a proper gym again, so I can kill it for real. This is the cruise bod. You know, definitely holding some water. Haven't been able to do cardio as much, so like there's no Stairmaster here, but still have some abs coming through. Still got some arms.
And then there's
Still got some legs. The cruise body. Tell you what, this is gonna be kind of cool. I'm excited to get back and dial things in. So like, I think I might make a video on this specifically, but 1 month of like tracking macros pretty religiously, but just having a whole bunch of distractions versus 1 month of being super strict. It's gonna be an incredible difference. Time for formal dinner number 2. You ready?
yes.
All right. Alright, y'all, the dinner is done. Had about a 6-ounce portion of prime rib and probably, I don't know, 2 ounces of lobster tail. Pretty small lobster tail. Pretty tasty though. So, that was the last formal dinner. Tomorrow we're going to be at sea, and then we get back on Sunday. Yeah. Wait, tomorrow's Friday or Saturday? Saturday. So we got tomorrow, there's more conferences. We got more speakers. So be in there for that. Whole time be working on client emails and whatnot. But we'll be back home probably on Monday. Probably gonna get an Airbnb on Sunday. Train back, I think, at that that gym that we trained at last time. I really like that gym. I think it's gonna be an awesome back workout. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, lots of stuff in the pipeline. This has been an awesome experience. The speakers have been great. Being able to kind of go on land and just get out a little bit was great. Just driving the Jeep today, seeing some of the countryside, and just getting out of the normal day-to-day routine's been great. It's definitely been a work trip. I know it seems like we just been playing all this whole time. We're only like on land for like 3 hours or so, but the rest of the hours in there are all spent working, so it's been productive. That said, I'm gonna end this vlog now. Crystal's, what are you doing, Crystal?
I'm Instagramming.
She's Instagramming, catching up on those DMs. So, I'm just rambling at this point. You got anything to add?
Nope, just really awesome experience. We're really, really blessed to be on this cruise, and yeah, gotta go to bed so we can wake up early and do some work.
Huge shout out to Jimmy Moore for the opportunity to do this in the first place.
Absolutely.
Jimmy's awesome. Jimmy gets a lot of bad flack. I mean, I don't know why people are such haters to Jimmy, but Jimmy's a super cool, super nice guy. He's done a lot for this community, so huge shout out to Jimmy. That said, y'all have a great one. Take care. See you soon. Love you.